Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn together about ospf. We still learn and talk about learning CCNP, but on this video, we continue our lesson to other routing protocol, namely ospf. For your information, ospf can be used for all multi-platform. And if you remember that before we use with we use AGRP routing protocol. The difference between AGRP and SPF, AGRP used only on Cisco, and then for SPF we can use on all multi-platform. And remember, in OSPF, uh, we have to use area. We have to use area, and then there is single area and multiple area. And after that, on OSPF, router OSPF can be different with other routers, or you can use same or SPF1, SPF1 or SPF1 is up to you. But in AGRP, we have to do same configuration if in router 1 AGRP1, router 2 have to configure AGRP1 and something like that. But in OSPF, it's up to you. If you wanna to same OSPF1, SPF1, SPF1 is up to you. But if you wanna to use SPF others, it's up to you. Okay, maybe we can do our lab session configuring OSPF in single area. Okay, we can open our lab and then we can configuring all device one by one. Okay. Here we have to configure router 1 with the IP like this. Okay, takes a long time. We can wait for a moment. And this is the process booting. We can open router 2 again, or we can open router 2 can be boot again. After that, for router 3. After that, for PC1, PC2, and PC3. Okay, we start with router 1. Waiting. Router 1. Enable. We have to set hostname first. Hostname 1. And then addressing for router 1. We can see in ether 0/1 and 0/0 different. We have to login interface ether 0/1 first using IP 10.1.1.1 here, and then don't forget subnet mask for prefix 8 0.0.0. Okay, sorry, we run for address. Okay, forget to not mention it for interface 0/0 0/0. You can see here using network 1.0.0.0. Because of that, we can use IP address 1.1.1.1. Don't forget for prefix address 1.1.1. Same with same with here. Don't forget subnet mask 0/0.0. Okay, IP address. Sorry, you have to log in with company interface 0 at 0/1 /0 because we wanted to configure in here interface in this interface the address 1.1.1.1.65.0.0.0 because prefix 8 is this subnet mask in this subnet mask. And then shutdown exit to show IP interface brief is to show all interface that have that have to configure the addressing. You can see here the all interface connected. The status is up for ether 0/0 and 0/1. Okay, after that we can continue to other routers. Terus no, in router 3 we can booting first. No, and the PC one we can addressing. So because PC one connect with router one for interface that are 0/1 with IP this network. We can use IP 10 dot here 10.1.1.5. Don't forget with prefix. And then the gateway for router 1 10.1.1. Okay. In router 2 enable empty and then let we set host name host r2 and addressing for interface address 0/0 interface address 0/0 using IP this network. Shutdown first the address 1.1.1.2 like this, and don't forget with subnet mask for prefix 8 0.0.0. And exit that we configure for interface uh, enter 0/2 enter 0/2 now shut down using this network IP address 20.1.1.1 because the gateway for router 2 is for as the information in notebook. Don't forget to accept that as sorry 0.0.0 enter exit and then let we configure for interface 0/1 interface router 0/1 shut down and then let me addressing the IP address uh, 1.1.1 with subnet mask perfect 8 and enter uh, exit let me show the interface we show IP interface if is status file or interface is up and we can see the IP and the and later we can use this information for getting or put the network for ospf in the router 3 enable config and set hostname router 3 and after that let me configure for this interface enter 0/0 enter 0/0 now shut down and then getting the IP address 2.1.1.2 uh, sorry maybe we can use this 2.2 okay if we check this information 2.2.2.1 okay we can change for router 2 and interface enter 0/1 uh, no IP address for deleting this IP no IP address dot one okay dot one let's forget the subnet mask then getting the IP address again same with this information 2.2.2.1 because we set this interface 155.0.0.0 enter exit okay if we run the show interface brief IP is changed okay after that in router 3 we can use this information for putting the IP 2.2.2. Don't forget subnet mask. 0/0.0.0. Enter, and then go to other interface, exit first, press 0/1, enter 0/1, shut down. After that, getting the IP for 30, network 30. Address 3.1.1.1.5 and dot 0.0. Okay, exit, and then do show IP interface brief. We can see all interface, the status is up. Okay, after that we can addressing for all PC. IP for PC2, because router 2 using the gateway 2.1, we can getting the IP 2.5. IP 2.2.2. Sorry, we can use network 20, because the router using this information, we can get for IP address in PC2 20.1.1.5, and then traffic 8, the subnet mask 155.0.0.0. Hitting show IP. Okay, and PC3 IP, because the router 3 using this information for addressing the gateway, we can get in PC3 the IP address is 30.1.1.5, and forget it prefix 5.0.0.0. Enter, and then like check the show IP. Is successfully addressing for all devices. And let's configure ospf in all router. You can read this information for configure the interface IP address based on above table like this, same with this information. And after that, for text one, configure ospf in area 0, and then advertise all network on all routers. Okay, the uh, the ospf and the agrp is same, but ospf in multi platform, and then ospf and agrp, we can know the how to work them protocol with advertise all network on all routers. Okay, we can configure for router 1, same with this information. Enable config, and then router ospf ospf 1, and then maybe this number uh, means AS, autonomous system number, and then network. We can see before we configure the advertisement of to show IP interface. Okay, router OSPF again, and then advertise this to network. one dot one dot one uh, dot one. Okay, and the subnet mask is prefix uh, 8, but in ospf we don't use subnet mask, but we use wildcard. We can get wildcard with this information. Maybe I can show you, and, we can get uh, wildcard. Maybe the subnet mask is like this, and then like this, and we can kurang with the our subnet mask. Okay, 0 dot 0 dot 155 55 maybe you can see here some zeros. Okay, Sam, this is the way for getting the wildcard. Okay, in router 1 the subnet mask is the wildcard is 0 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0, and we get and we put the router SPF1 in area 0, in single area. Then network 10 dot 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0, and then wildcard for prefix 8 zeros dot 155 155 155 in area 0. Okay, this for router 2, router ISPF1. Then you can advertise all network on this router. Network 1.1.1.2, and the wildcard. Forget using area 0, enter, and then advertise network again for other interface 0/1, 2.2.2.1, then subnet wildcard 0 in area 0. Advertise all network again with this information 20 dot 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0. Don't forget wildcard for prefix 8 0 dot 20 155 155 155 in area 0. There, and after that exit. For router 3, we can configure SPF again, SPF2, sorry, SPF, SPF1. And for this router, there is two network. Or two, welcome. Okay, and area 0. Then network 30. dot zero dot zero dot zero. The wildcard is like this. Okay, don't forget it, Maria. Okay, we successfully configure ospf on all router, and we can verification with show IP route. Do show IP route. The information O means ospf. Okay, after that we can run this command show IP ospf. Do show IP ospf neighbor. The information is full. Show IP ospf neighbor. IP OS. Okay, with ID and that one. You can read by yourself. And after that, let we uh, let we try for communicate between PC1 to PC2 maybe. PC2 have the address 1.5. Okay, we can try T dot 1.1.5. Time out, still time out. But for router 1, communicate to router 2. On this interface, we use 1.2 looping and that 1.1.2. Result is success. Okay, maybe enough for this occasion. I hope you could enjoy my video. See you on next time.